Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hope you guys doing great. So Alex is back again. Yesterday was Monday, beautiful trading day in London. A lot of lessons to learn, a lot of things to go through. So I guys want to tell you that from today on, as you guys can see, I start to print the charts of each New York session because that's what I trade and take some notes on it, and that's what I start to do. I used to do this back in 2020, 2021, because but those times I didn't have the knowledge of that I have right now, and I learned this from the Tom Hogarth as well. Tom Hogarth, one of my biggest mentors, was also telling me that um printing the daily charts, you like, and getting back to that charts, printing, reading them tick by tick, candle by candle, gonna make your eyes get to use it to what the market is doing, what the market is trying to do. So that's what I start to do from today on. And also, I'm so happy that I started. So yesterday's price action I printed today in the morning, I already read what could have done, how can I minimize my loss and maximize my profits. I've learned all of the things, all of those things, which I'm so happy and grateful for. So today I'm ready for the London. London is like, when it comes to London, I'm okay. I'm not that much a fan of trading in London, but when it comes to New York, I am fan because that's where the market moves up and down. So I will be waiting and preparing my mindset as well till New York opens. And today's New York session, I will trade. I will see what happens. I have goals and written down how much I'm gonna make and so on. So today's New York session, let it happen. And tomorrow in the morning, I will take the screenshot from my screen and go to print them, and I will study them tomorrow morning as well. So let's just get back to yesterday's price action as well. It was a beautiful, one of the beautiful days I ever seen. US30. Let's delete this thing for now. So this what happened. So I had a breakout structure to the upside. That was a beautiful breakout structure to the upside. And I'm like, okay, let's do Fibonacci. And I did my Fibonacci, and I was waiting for the price to come up somewhere here, which it did. And I was trying to buy from there as well. And I'm so happy that I was trying to buy from there. And kind of this is where it happened. I thought it's like kind of chalk happened in 1 minute. You know what I'm trying to. It is what it is. It's all about probabilities. So I did my Fibonacci, and the price came here, beautifully rejected. What I did was I entered the 20 lot size, go in my profit. I entered another 20 lot size, go in my profit. So price started to come down as well. In this candle, I already closed it, my trade. So I supposed to risk $1,000, but I cut my losses very short and quickly. So I end up I'm losing $750, which is great because I knew this trade is not gonna work out. So I just let me just close, then just melted down so badly. I'm like, okay. So what happened was now we had a breakout structure to the downside. Am I right? So I don't know what's going on here. So what happened was, oh, so I don't know what's going on here right now. So let's go to the 5 minutes. So what I missed was now price start to move up very, very perfectly. And if you look at the line chart as well, we had a beautiful choke as well. And despite of that, we had another breakout structure. You can call it the breakout structure, whatever you want to call it. And if I do my Fibonacci, we had a beautiful rejections as well. Boom. So this is one of the lessons I learned. So even though you enter here, make sure you put your stop loss below the recent swing low or swing high. So 32 pips, no one kills. No, 32 pips is not gonna kill anyone. So let's go and see on 1 minute as well how could we enter to that trade as well. So just about to market's about to open, so I wasn't thinking of entering here. I just want to let the market do its own thing. So I wasn't really looking for enter, which is absolutely fine. So this is the where the market open. Let's just say as a New York Open. That was a beautiful New York Open. So price just so after the breakout structure we had chalk here, and I was waiting for the price to come up to down here, then sell from here to the up, but it didn't. It just keep pushing up and up and up. So I could have bought here as well, but I have in my mind that whatever breakout structure comes down as well, so it breakout structure to the upside as well, but it didn't come, just pushing up and up and up and up. So I thought it's gonna come down as well. So I was selling somewhere here, guys. So let's go and see that in 15 minutes what just happened. Oh, look at that mistake, guys. I was selling there. Excuse me. Yes, now I remember the reason why I was selling, because we had a little bit of supply zone there, and since we break a structure right there, I did my Fibonacci from A to the B, and price just came here. That's why I was selling, and it's all about probabilities. You lose, you win. That's a game we are playing, guys. So I was selling here. I thought this is a choke, but it didn't, which is absolutely fine. So what it did was, let's go 50 minutes and see what just popped up. So in 15 minutes, now we'll break a structure to the upside. So now what I'm waiting for is, I'm waiting patiently price to come up here, which it didn't do. Why? Because we had a news yesterday at 10 o'clock. That's where it came, guys. Look at that. So this is our, look at that, what I did, guys. This is our 10 o'clock news candle, and this is our New York open. So I was waiting to buy from New York open, but no, it just came to the 10 o'clock news open. So now we start to see beautiful choke here, guys. Look at that. So we saw beautiful choke here. So beautiful choke to the downside, and let's go and see that on a candle. Beautiful. So I did my Fibonacci from A to the B, and really beautifully rejected here. It beautifully rejected. Then I was selling some here. Then I was selling some here. Then it went on my favor, then just climbed up, and I saw this big blue candle, boom, boom. Then I scared and closed my trades manual. That's a lesson I need to learn. Why? Because I should have put my stop loss here. You know what I'm trying to get, above the recent high, which is somewhere here. So even though, let's I enter here 10 lot size, it just could have been $400, guys. Come on, Alex. So it could have been still 1 to 3 are where the rich traders, where the New York stock trades are aiming for, dreaming for, praying for 1 to 5, 1 to 2. Like, come on, Alex. You could have done 1 to 3.5. So after that, I've seen a beautiful choke here as well. It's all about lessons, guys. Just put your stop loss somewhere above or below the recent higher low. So we got to choke down. So I could have entered somewhere here as well and just put my stop loss somewhere there, which could have been beautiful trade as well. If I entered the 10 20 lots, I could have made a $3,000 20 20 20 60. Let's say 60 multiplied by 150, that could have been $9,000, guys, which is crazy. So that's why I could have sell here, I could have sell here, I could have sell here, and putting my stop loss, of course, where? Putting my stop loss right here, guys. Of course, I'm risking big. That's the game we are playing, guys. So we are just came to the I would say we just came to news open, and it just rejected very high and just pushed up, and I was selling here as well. I saw the same thing. I was okay, so we break a structure here as well, but it's all in 1 minute. It's not even a 5 minute as well, but it's all good. Let's see that on 5 minutes as well. So yeah, that was just a week. You know what I'm trying to say. So that's my mistake. I accept my loss. I accept my risk. So I was selling summer here as well. We because we've been seeing beautiful chalk sell chalk. So let me show you guys where I was selling. So chalk sell chalk sell, I was selling there and just pushing up. So I saw this candle as well, chalk sell, boom, it took me out. So what it did was breakout structure to the upside. I hope it did on 5 minutes as well. Of course it did. So as you guys can see, it did a breakout structure to the upside very beautifully. and we just need to get it from the news open candle. So if I do my Fibonacci from A to the B, you guys can see we touch a beautiful 78.60, and so in this case I could have played some counter trades as well, just selling Boston here with 100 pip. You know what I'm trying to say, but it's all risky, you know, just 100 pips still good. So let's go and see in 1 minute. Lower the low, lower the low, lower the low, lower the low, boom. So this is where I see Berco's chalk to the upside, I would say. Chalk to the upside, and I do my Fibonacci from A to the B. The reason why I don't do this from here is because it's all balanced. We don't see any balance, so this is a place where I could have entered, because this is where I need to be laser focused, because we are following our structure. So this is where I could have entered, smash, boom, 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 20. Imagine I did 20, and my TP would be, since we're aiming to get it from there, swing high, oh, higher high, higher high, higher low. So guys, imagine we are entering on 50 minutes higher low. So let's say I entered there, and as you guys can see, we are rejecting from the moving average as well. So it could be in 25 pip. Where are you? So I could enter somewhere here with 25 pip, 2020, risking $1,000. And if I hit here, let's say 250 pips, I could have made around $10,000 or more. Let's say 40 multiplied 250, I could make $10,000, which is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's say I have a $10,000 guys account, and I did 50. Yeah, I could just double my account just in a pin. But let's say I have a $100,000 account, which I need to do 222, so 400 multiplied by 250. Holy moly! I could have my double account just in my TP1, which is just here, guys. Otherwise, I could have put my um, minus 61 as well as a TP1, which it surely hit. But sometimes what the market does is, if I don't take TP1 27.1, just boom, melt down as well, just to mitigate some areas while I was speaking. But what I could have done is like market close somewhere here and just put my stop loss here, you know what I'm trying to say, and just let it go. That could have been also a beautiful trade. So let's go and see the today's projections as well. So that's a beautiful trade you guys can catch in the future and stuff. um just know what the market is doing here and there, and I understand that trading London is much more better than comparing to trading New York is much more better comparing to the London as well, because New York is where the money moves, you know what I'm trying to say, guys. So we're basically breaking structure to the upside as well. And if you go and look at the 1 hour as well, this is this is where we have the big imbalance as well on the 7.60. That's why for now I'm looking to buy from these areas. I just want to let the price come here, feel this imbalance, and boom, to the upside. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. So let's go and see this on 4 hour as well. So 4 hour we had a beautiful chop to the upside as well, as you guys can see. Chop up. Let's go and see on daily. We are just playing, I believe. So it is what it is. We'll see what's gonna happen. So this was yesterday. So yeah, it is what it is. So I'm waiting for price, because it's also might do this one as well. Look, break and retest. So most likely we will buy from this area. So let's see how it's gonna go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's price action. It's been a beautiful 15 minutes. So if you guys have any questions, please make sure you ask in the comment section and share it with your friends, those guys who are trading US30. I'm putting the high quality knowledge here, and yeah, guys, I hope you enjoy. It's been beautiful 50 minutes. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up and make sure you read books. And the current books I'm reading is very great book, New Trader and Rich Trader. Very nice book. It's about new trader being neighbor to the rich trader and learning a lot of things from the rich trader. So a lot of things about knowledge and risk management, how to control sell when you're feeling stressed and stuff. So I would recommend read that book as well. Just around 18 chapters, very quick read. It's just gonna take 2 3 days of your and reading hour a day. So cheers, guys. Peace out.